I'm Santina from WTI. So if you are like me and you have so many pairs of shoes and nowhere to store them, then I definitely want to recommend this shoe organizer for under the bed by Onlyeasy. So first of all, shoe storage is great. Most of my pairs fit both shoes in one compartment, and then for my bigger high heels or my super clunky shoes, I've just put them one in each little compartment and it's fit awesome. So I've got so many pairs of shoes in these shoe organizers. I also really like that it has the plastic zip top, so I can close it and I know that my shoes are not going to get all of that dust, which is pretty common for underneath the bed. And really easy to push in and pull out. I haven't had any trouble. I love that it comes with a set of two, so I have one for me on my side of the bed and one for my husband on his side of the bed. And the nice gray-black color works really well in our room. So I hope you're gonna love this if you have a ton of shoes as well. And that's my point of view.